even in a 1 by 1 meter garden, you can plant your own potatoes and have a lot of fun. ¿No es cierto, José?
Yep, it's a good
A ver,
day.
mira.
Look, potatoes.
¡Wow!
Me ponen la bolsa aquí. Perfecto.
Let's see. Musi, ayúdame con este.
It's big, it's a big.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Acá. Look at the potato we got.
Gold! We have gold!
Gold food. Look, they started to go. Oh, look at this. Look, this is that video with Swedish and English. Så kolla vilken stor potatis. There are more. Mia.
And
Oh, here.
do you know how we got all these potatoes?
What
From
the-
4 potatoes, we got how many?
A lot.
12 plants of potatoes. Yes, because we cut them in pieces.